In this video, we are assembling the ice cream mason jar. So you'll need something to use for your handle, and I'm going to use this pipe cleaner. And then this one doesn't have a tag. So and I'm going to start with the box, and I'm just going to fold everything on the score lines. Now, I've had it forever, this authentic ice cream sundae paper. I love it, and I've always, I've saved it forever. I always do that. When I have something I really, really like, it's hard for me to use it. But when I saw this paper that had the sprinkles in it, I thought it would be just perfect for this file. So I broke down and cut a sheet of it. And I think it's so cute. But you can do that part of the ice cream in anything, really, any color you wanted, but it could be fudge, it could be caramel, it could be strawberry. The same for the ice creams. I did chocolate. That's my daughter's favorite. But you could do vanilla, you could do strawberry, you could do pistachio, mint chocolate chip. So while I should do a couple of different colors, but you'll only see the chocolate, but it can be so many different things. And if you have some fun papers to use, another pad that comes to mind is the Die Cuts with a View has a fun ice cream themed paper. I have some of that too. That would be really cute to use on this file. I just want to make sure I've got that lined up well. I'm going to push it from the inside. These little boxes are so cute, and they go together so quickly. So I like to put my lid on first. So these two pieces glue together to make your lid. And then whatever flavor ice cream, and then topping that you want. Isn't that cute? I love this paper. Okay, and then apply the glue to your box, because the bottom corners on your box are squared and the bottom corners on your panel are rounded. I'm going to stand my box up. I'm going to use my fingers on the side as a guide and the table to get it placed into the right spot. And then apply the pressure from the inside. Isn't that cute? And so quick and simple. What cute party favors these would make. And just by even just changing, I've got a real sparkly handle on this one, but you can make them more masculine or girly, depending on the colors that you use. And there it is. There is the ice cream mason jar. Thank you for joining me.